Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing very well. Today sharing a very healthy, nourishing, easy to make oats vegetable soup recipe that you can have as a quick breakfast or as a light dinner, and it's perfect for weight loss or weight management. It's absolutely delicious, healthy and a filling recipe. Hope you like it. Keep watching. For making oat soup, here I have taken 1 cup of quick oats. You may take rolled oats or any kind of oats you prefer. And in veggies, have taken a cup full of corns, finely chopped capsicums, chopped carrots, green peas, beans, and drumstick leaves. Drumstick leaves, also known as Moringa Keerai, is highly nutritious and very healthy as it has incredible health benefits. And then we require a combination of shallots, garlic and green chilies. So here I have taken 4 shallots, 2 green chilies and 4 garlics. Finely chop them. So into a chopper, adding all and chop them finely. You may add any veggies of your choice. With these measurements, you may easily serve 6 glasses or bowls of soup. You can see it's finely chopped. Now let's proceed in making the soup. So into a heated clay pot, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Then add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Allow it to splutter. Then to this we're going to add finely chopped shallots, garlic and green chilies. Saute it well until they turn golden in color and also turns aromatic. The garlic flavor in this soup is awesome. It's sauteed well and it's turned golden now. Now to this we're going to add oats. Add in oats and saute for a while. You need to saute for around 1 to 2 minutes until you get a lightly nutty flavor. Oats are rich in fiber. It will keep you full for a longer time and helps control hunger level. It also manages blood sugar level and reduces risk of heart disease. It's gluten-free and a great source of important vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Including oats in your regular diet will manage your weight and excellent if you are in your weight loss journey. Oats roasted well. It's time to add in all the veggies. We're going to add in all the veggies now except drumstick leaves, which will be adding it later. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Cooking in a clay pot is not only healthy, it also enhances the taste and flavor. I have a detailed video on how you can season, clean and maintain the clay pots. We'll share the link in description. You may have a look. After sauteing the veggies for 2 to 3 minutes, add salt as required. Here I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Give a good mix. And now to this I'm going to add drumstick leaves and give a quick stir. The reason adding drumstick leaves at the end is it hardly takes time to cook, and you also retain the color, flavor and aroma of the leaves when you add it at the end. Now saute it well. Now add in water. For 1 cup of oats, here I have added 7 cups of water. If you prefer thick soup, you may add less water, and for runny texture, add more. We prefer little runny consistency. Adjust the water according to your preference. Give a mix and allow the soup to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Soon you'll see the veggies and the oats are cooked and the texture has turned creamy. Upon cooling, it slightly thickens more. Hence adjust the water accordingly. Including drumstick leaves in your diet is highly beneficial. It boosts the immune system, it manages blood sugar, lowers cholesterol, it's a good relief for common cold and cough and many more. It's advisable to add drumstick leaves in your diet regularly. Oat soup is almost ready. Now add freshly crushed black pepper powder and give a mix. Add it at the end as it will give fresh flavor to the soup. Mix well and simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes, and that's it. Absolutely delicious healthy oats vegetable soup is ready. It's a quite filling recipe and you may have it as a quick breakfast, lunch or even as a light dinner. It's excellent for your weight loss and weight management journey. Hope you like this healthy oats recipe. Then do give a thumbs up and share among your family and friends. For many more interesting and healthy videos, do stay tuned with Nisha Thaju. Until then, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.